What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another install video. It's not going to be on my Subaru or GT4, but it's going to be on this STI. That's right, it's going to be on Chris. There he's in the back. Check us out. You guys already know his IG, but if you guys forgot, it's right here. We're going to be doing a aftermarket head unit. So if you guys don't know, the 2016 and up, Subaru decided to put the Starlink head unit in there. It's not the best head unit for the Subaru. The Bluetooth usually have issues connecting. Sound system pretty much could be better. So we're going to be upgrading this Starlink unit to an aftermarket. So it's going to improve the sound a lot better. So if you guys want to see, stay tuned. Alright, so the head unit that he got is the Pioneer 4400X. These are all the equipment that he needs. I'll post it in the link below if you guys are wondering what kind of harness you need to use. Radio bezel. So here's the Starlink. So if you guys don't know, the Starlink is one whole piece. So you do have to take this whole panel off, and then you have to transfer out your climate control to your bezel, your aftermarket bezel. So in order for you to remove this whole piece out, you have to take off this AC trim first, and then the 2016 Plus has two bolts that holds it in place. So there's one bolt all the way in this side, and there's another bolt all the way in this side. So in order for you to get through the bolts, you have to remove your glove box, and then you have to move the driver's side under the tray right here, this whole piece, to get to that bolt. You already got a sub and an amp wired already, so it's pretty easy. It's already routed. Alright, so we're gonna start with this side first. So in order for you to remove your glove box, you just gotta pull down. There's these two tabs right here. All you gotta do is push it in, and then it should pop downwards, and you just pull it out from the clip. And then also there's a hinge right here. Just remove it from this, and then that should be the only thing that's holding the glove box in. Alright, so with the glove box removed, if you guys look inside, see there's that bolt right there, and that bolt is a 10 mil. That is what's holding your radio in place, so you just got to remove that. So we just took out the other screw. In order for you to get to that screw over there, you just gotta pop this panel out. There's a screw inside here, and then if you look underneath, there's another screw right there. So once you take those screws out, this piece you can actually just pull underneath and it should pop out. It's just pretty much a clips that's holding it in. So there's a screw. So we'll get that out, and then we'll be able to access to that screw to the other side of the radio. Panel's off. Under tray is off. So if you guys look, let me see, it's right there. If you guys can see it. It's kind of a tight squeeze, but you'll be able to manage to get a socket and extension in there. So let's get that out, and we'll be able to go from the top. We just removed those two screws. So now we just got to remove the head unit. So all it is removing this panel, and just pretty much use a pry tool. Start from the top and then pull forward. And once you get that out, you'll be able to just pry open this piece right here.
Was it yours? This is stupid.
Work it. Usually I find it easier to go on this side, on the right. Look at that, the D-force.
D-force.
You're really good at putting in small spots.
I'm known
so,
for it.
It comes with the emergency slide clips. Pop it out.
These are the worst.
We'll be right back. After some technical difficulty, we got the harness out. So now we just got to remove those 2 bolts right here. They're 10 mils. Once we get those out, then we'll be able to just pry the whole piece out, and then that should come out. Alright, so we went off to the side instead. So we just got to pry from the side. And then just yank it a little bit. And it should pop out.
You all go this way, though.
Actually,
Oh, it's gone. Oh, okay. There you go.
just like that. Surprise!
Surprise, motherfucker!
Now we gotta unhook the AC.
Yeah, so you just gotta there's harness in the back for the radio, and the climate control harness. So let's take out the climate control.
I can't see anything.
Let me get that out. So the head unit's out, so we're just gonna do some surgical remove. So we're removing the climate control off this one. So this bracket is blocking the screw, so you just gotta bend it up in order for you to reach to it. So we're just taking that out. And bam!
Yep.
So inside the car, so these are the 3 harness that you'll need. The 10 pin, 28, and then this one right here. Alright, we are done with the wiring. So this is the 28 pin that goes into your stocks harness. This one came, this is the aftermarket for the speakers, the power, and all that stuff. This is your rear. So Subaru has 3 connectors that you need to use these to get your radio to work. And then this goes back into the aftermarket head units wires. So these are all spliced in. And then this is your backup camera right here. So this harness has a backup camera that's already wired for it. So it goes to the RCA, and then that goes into the back of this one. This one goes into the Pioneer one. And we're just going to use this brown wire, which is the, says rear view camera in. So pretty much color for color. The only thing you have to worry about is the 6 volts. That wires into the 6 volt camera, which is provided from this harness. So yeah. Alright, we're gonna do a first turn on. Oh, we got power. We got power. It's working. Take some Bluetooth. Camera on. Actually, turn on the reverse. Actually, need to plug it in.
That would be a nice one.
It would be nice. It's too good brown, right? Right here?
Yeah, I'm trying to find the. Oh, here it is. Sorry, I didn't want to go with my vape.
Vape and Subaru, it's life. Oh, so we got camera. Camera's working. Alright, so now we got we're gonna touch the sub on.
It's on right there. I got power.
Yeah, it sounds a lot better.
So everything's back together. Glove box in. Panels again. Here it is with the Pioneer head unit. Alright guys, so that's the install for the 2016 Plus STI's WRX head unit. So if you guys are interested in upgrading yours, make sure you check out the link below for all the parts that you need to. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a comment. Like this video. If you guys want to see more, subscribe to the channel. Till then, peace.
Surprise, motherfucker.